This is a 3-room HDB located at Bedok, a mature estate, and this house is more than 40 years. The owner first came to us with a thinking of having a warm minimalist concept, and they wanted to redo the whole unit. For the whole house, we use more neutral colors and wood tones with curved elements which you can find in the living, dining and part of the kitchen. Coming from the main door, we have a customized bench with concealed shoe storage. This bench also acts as a dining seat when there's more guests coming over. To hide the TV cables, we actually built a partition wall over the TV wall. At the same time, this partition wall does have a curved elements to add more interest to the TV wall. If you notice, we use limewash for the living and bedrooms wall and ceiling to have a more organic rustic look. We went for the open concept bedroom and we used the platform to demarcate the bedroom and living space. When there is guests coming over, the owner will close up the collapsible folding ripped glass door for more privacy. To enter the bathroom, we have to walk through this concealed door, and upon entering the bathroom, you notice that all the pipes are being concealed, and we have actually segregated the wet and dry area by putting a glass panel in between. To make use of the remaining space, we have a ledge over here for the owner daily use. As the owner is a very young couple, we designed a simple dining area with loose furniture that suits this minimalist house. We relocate the kitchen entrance to the center of the kitchen with arch-shaped entranceway, and at the same time, there will be more space and more storage at both sides of the kitchen. We created a lot of storage in the kitchen to hide away the kitchen appliances with detached door to achieve a sleek look. Since there is no service yard, we built extra carpentry to hide away the washer, dryer and essentials. On one side of the kitchen, we use it for pantry, and on the other side of the kitchen, that will be for the prep area. We did something different to the common bathroom compared to the previous layout. The common bathroom was converted into the powder room with a ripped glass sliding door that allows light to shine into the house.